What's the meaning of baton round? Baton round. Baton round.
Baton round. Baton round. A baton round, also known as a plastic bullet, is a non-lethal projectile fired from a specially designed gun. It is typically made of hard foam or plastic and can be used by law enforcement to control crowds or to subdue individuals who pose a threat. The round is designed to cause pain and discomfort upon impact, but is intended to minimize the risk of serious injury or death. While baton rounds are considered less deadly than traditional bullets, they can still cause significant harm if fired improperly or used excessively. As such, their use is often controversial and subject to intense scrutiny.